What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1948 panel wagon. This one here's got the 5.0 under the hood. I decoded it on the back. Just checked it out. It's also got aluminum radiator, the AC, all the upgraded pulleys. We got power steering, custom valve covers, chrome intake, Holley card, electric fans, front disc brakes, and this thing is slick. 2 sets of bucket seats inside this ride. We're going to take her down the road, see how she runs and drives, check everything out. Any flaws that I see, I will let you know. That's why we do these videos. We try to give as much information, that way you don't have to drive all the way down here, or before you even make the drive, you feel comfortable. Check us out at maplemotors.com, close to 100 detailed pictures. Also got shipping and financing available for the cars at our car lot. Every Monday we update with, I don't know, 10, 15 new cars. Let's do it, guys. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. So before we take off, we're going to look around inside this vehicle and check everything out. It's got some really nice bucket seats, front and rear to match. The interior of this thing is awesome. Go ahead, cut her on. Starts up fairly easy. Let me give her a little gas. Starts up fairly easy here. I can show you the mileage. Can't stand behind that. This is not a factory motor. We got the chrome column, which tilt. Kicker speakers in the floor on both sides. AC. It's cold. I am not sure how to open this. Let's see. There we go. Got a TV up here for the radio. That works. Touchscreen. Pretty cool stuff here. Did y'all place your bets on the horn yet? Getting ready to try it out. So windshield wipers, I was trying to figure out how in the world to cut them on, and I think it's this switch here, but it's missing the knob to actually turn it, and it's really tight. If I find otherwise, I will let you know, but so far not so good on the windshield wipers. Go ahead and try that horn though. Y'all ready? Let's go. It works. Let's take off down the road. Okay, getting ready to take off down the road. All my vitals are looking pretty good. Oil pressure is about 30, 35. Engine temperature is up to 180 now. Got a good sounding exhaust on it. Anything that I see, I will let you know. How about the light back here? Cuts on every time you hit the brakes. Turn signals are popping up on the dash here. Brakes feel pretty good. Let's get her on the road. See what all works. Does it? Speedometer's coming up. It's shifting nicely. The kick down is not hooked up. She's going straight as an arrow down the road, and I'm pulling left or right. The steering is nice and tight. I mean, as soon as I turn, it turns. Feels good. One of our buddies, right down the road, he's got a few collector cars as well. Lots of toys over at his shop. You can check that out. That's under Newton's Auto Sales. It's his website, newtonsautosales.com. Brakes feel good. Got a lot of pedal there. Go ahead, put that back up. back's pretty cool. My kids would love it. They'd have a blast in the back. I don't know if y'all seen that video of the 210 yesterday, but somebody took that pole out. They had to put a new one in today. He's now finishing it up. So far, so good. Runs and drives awesome. We're gonna pull in this parking lot here, get some outside shots. If you want to see all the gear I use, look below in the description. I put Amazon links to all this. And guys, let me know. I upped the quality a little bit on my cameras. Went ahead and turned everything up. Let me know if it's any better. It does take it takes quite a bit more time for it to download and stuff, but I think it's worth it. Let's get these shots. Okay guys, circle around this parking lot over and over and over again, and I started realizing the power steering is getting a little whiny. We may have a little bit of a power steering leak. It looked like it was pretty low. I checked it. So we're gonna head on back to the lot and add some power steering fluid, see if we can figure out where that leak is. I'm sure that's something that we probably have taken care of before you come down here to purchase. You hear it whining? I didn't see it leaking all over the parking lot, but it did look a little bit wet, so definitely want to figure that out and try not to burn up this pump on the way back. But so far so good. The vitals are looking great. We're still at 180. We're still at 35 on the oil pressure. We're good. Come on, traffic. Lighten up for me. Polished up that steering wheel. Tell you what, we're just gonna go for it now. Good time, good timing. Pretty smooth down the road. Suspension feels good. We're gonna have a chance to kind of test that up here on this road that we're gonna be pulling on. this is the road I was talking about. We get out here and floor it, go about 100 miles an hour and hit this speed bump, see how much air we can get. You can listen for rattles and shakes. The speed bump's coming up right here. Nice and smooth, nice and quiet. And still lots of traffic. I mean, it's my fault. It's 4:19. Almost 5 o'clock. Everybody wants to get home today. It's not too bad. I only had to wait for a second. I usually just don't like editing all this out, just to keep it real with y'all. We're gonna pull back in the lot here, and I guess I'll start editing this video. I'm pretty much done for the day. I got some stuff I want to work on next week for next week's video, so I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again, guys. All right, guys, if you have any more questions, jump on over to maplemotors.com. I got close to 100 detailed photos of every car on the lot. We've also got finance and shipping information, wheels, tires, parts, accessories, and we update our website every Monday with new cars. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button for daily content, and I want to thank y'all for watching and sharing these videos. It helps us out greatly. Y'all have a good one.